This question came up during a recent training. A student said, I'm familiar with using comments in Excel, in my Excel workbooks, but sometimes I don't want to have to retype the same comment over and over. Is there a way to copy and paste a comment? And the answer is yes. The way you do that is you copy the cell that contains the comment that you want to copy. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this cell. And then you click the destination cell. On your Home tab, in your Paste group, you click under Paste and click Paste Special. And under Paste, you see where it says Comment. Select that and click OK. And then you can just keep doing that to keep pasting that comment in additional cells. So that's how you can copy and paste comments really quickly, save yourself a lot of time when it comes to retyping them.